Hello, my name is Silly Tilly, and I would love to share with you a poem I wrote inspired by this painting named Branches of Light. Branches of light, illuminating electric essence over the surface of the earth. A light from an eternal source, a light that glows from within. Each surface hit, lit up by rays of life, now feeling the warmth of the eternal source. Each surface enveloped until it's more than just the outside, till the deep central core holds this light too. And you and me, you see, are like that tree, the branches of our hearts stretching in random angles, slowly growing to support the smallest of things, and to display the greatest of things, the eternal light source. I would like to read 2 verses that I think illustrate this poem as well. You are the light of the world. A city on a hill cannot be hidden, nor do people light a lamp and put it under a basket, but on a stand, and it gives light to the whole house. In the same way, let your light shine before others, so that they may see your good works and give glory to your Father in heaven. Matthew 5:14-16. Jesus spoke to them saying, I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will not walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. John 8:12. Now, on to the recording. Branches of light, illuminating electric essence over the surface of the earth. A light from an eternal source. A light that glows from within. And whatever surface it hits, whatever surface is lit up by its rays, feels the warmth of the eternal source. And you and me, you see, we are like a tree. The branches of our hearts stretching in random angles, slowly growing to support the smallest of things like squirrels and birds. And to display the greatest of things, the eternal light source. Thank you for listening. Feel free to share with anyone you think might like this, and leave me some feedback in the comments.